Hello Tech Tribe and future members. Welcome back to my channel, InventJ. In today's video, I'm excited to showcase one of my creations that offers an affordable solution for both flooding and traffic management in our communities. For years, governments around the world have constructed roadways without sufficient stormwater drainage systems in commercial and residential areas. As a result, severe flooding often occurs during tropical storms or hurricanes due to this inadequate infrastructure. However, it's not too late for governments to address and resolve this issue. They can improve the situation by adopting an innovative solution called RolleHump, available at RolleHump.com. This new technology provides a cost-effective alternative to traditional, expensive stormwater management methods. RolleHump not only helps manage stormwater, but also supports traffic control in subdivisions and commercial districts, ensuring the safety of our future leaders, educators, and doctors. For more information about RolleHump stormwater and traffic management system, please visit www.rollehump.com. Until next time, Tech Tribe, I'm out.